My name is Co, and this is hopefully the first of many installments in something I'm calling my Teahouse sessions. This space that I'm in is an old tea house, which is in the backyard of this house I just was lucky enough to move into. And apparently this used to be an old music recording studio, but that was decades ago. The roof leaks now. The only things that will ever hear me perform in here live are the great many spiders on the walls, which I actually quite like. I have been trying to be more diligent with myself, and specifically trying to kind of cultivate diligence with my creativity and music. I'm working through the Artist's Way right now, if any of you are familiar with that. And just knowing that this tea house is here and used to hold musicians and all of that energy, it just feels really nice to be in. Sometimes I'll come in here and play original songs, and sometimes I'll play covers. My goal is to not really have a plan necessarily, because I think what I want this space to help me practice is just awareness and presence, and just understanding that perfectionism doesn't really get me anywhere when it comes to art and music, and I'm trying to practice release these days. So this is something that I'm hoping helps me do that. Thanks.